And then after that, you just drop in, you just ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted like that.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Travel Tip Thursday. Today we're going to talk about the surf schools in Costa Rica. So most of the beaches have surf schools set up on the beach. They'll be lined along, or they'll actually be on the beach. Like when we did our surf lessons the first time here in Samara at Choco's, really good guys there. They're right on the beach. So we just walked up to them, asked them the details about the surf lessons. When you go to the surf schools, just check with them what the deal is that they have. If you do the lessons, a lot of the ones in Samara, if you do the lessons, you'll actually get free use of the board for the next like 4 or 5 days. And that way you just go back, get the board for an hour, and they'll allow you to use that. You don't have to pay extra. So yeah, just check with them and see if they do that at the surf school you're going to. Here in Samara, it's actually the best place to learn how to surf. It's your first time. It's got a flat sandy bottom, ocean floor, so if you do fall, you're not going to be cutting yourself up on coral, as well as the waves are super mellow because we do have a reef out in the bay, so it actually stops the waves from being super crazy. There's a couple spots where it can get a little bit bigger, but as far as where most of the places are set up, it's pretty mellow to learn on, and you want that when you're learning for the first time because it is a lot of hard work. So yeah, that's the nice thing about surfing here. And then if you are experienced as well, as you do the lessons and as you practice, you can head out to other beaches close by that have a little bit bigger waves. A lot of the surf schools actually have really good surf instructors that have been surfing since they were just little kids, so they really know how to teach you as far as the patience, how to watch for the waves, things like that. So it's definitely a good place to learn how to surf is here in Costa Rica. All right, so that's it for this Travel Tip Thursday. I hope this helps anybody who's looking at coming down here for surfing or learning how to surf. It just gives an idea of what you can expect. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos, and we'll see you in the next Travel Tip Thursday. Ciao.